Hi guys, welcome back to another video, another Shopify tutorial video, another Shopify section just for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add stylish animated circle animation section which you can add on your store and enhance your UI of your store. If you're new to this channel, I keep creating video to help you guys improve layout of your Shopify store and do WordPress tutorial, web tutorial, and lately creating AI tutorials as well. So if you are interested in any of those topics, make sure to subscribe this channel. You'll be getting a lot of free resources in return. So without further ado, let's get into the screen where I'm going to show you guys what type of section you'll be adding in today's video. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have the development store. And if I scroll down to the bottom, I have this stylish looking animated circle animation. And when I hover over it, it's going to pause. And when I click on any of the image, it's going to change the circle image. And this image is actually a product. So when I click on this small circle, it's going to change the middle image. And when I click on that, it's going to take me to that product page. And if you notice on that product page, I have this visitor counter, which is another tutorial which I have created. Again, link will be in the description. And here is an animated sale badge which show you guys what is the percentage discount offer you're giving on the product. So a lot of free tutorials. All you have to do is just subscribe this channel, and all of these videos are present in my YouTube channel completely for free. You don't have to sign up for any newsletter. You don't have to buy anything to avail this stylish looking animated section, product page enhancement, and we also have this transparent header. And all of these tutorials are implemented on the free theme. And if I open up this menu item, you can see that we have this stylish looking mega menu with animated images. Again, lot of free resources. All you have to do is just hit the subscribe button. And today's video is about this animated circle, where I already shown you guys. If you click on the image, it's going to change the circle image in the center. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to that product. Or you can also take it to the collection. You can also add the collection picture in here. Now let me show you the backend settings for the section which you will be getting. So I'm going to go to the backend. And I am going to go to my online store. Here I have this Dawn theme where I have added this section. By the way, you can add this section on any theme, no matter you're using paid theme, you're using free theme, it's going to work completely fine. And if it does not work, let us know in the comments below. We'll definitely help you with this section. Also for this video, if you guys give me just 200 likes, I'm going to update that animated slider for whatever features you request in the comment below. So keep liking and keep requesting the feature which you want us to add on this section. And we will keep adding the settings like font changing, adding more settings related to styling, animation, whatever request which you have for this section, just let us know in the comments below. Okay, I'm going to go to the customize settings and show you guys what are the features you will be getting in this section. So if I scroll down to the bottom, here is my animated circle. By the way, it looks good on the mobile as well. So that's how it looks on the mobile version. And it also works with the image change. All you have to do is just tap into these small circle to change the center image. And when you click on that center image, it's going to take you to that product page or collection page if you wanted to take to the collection page, right? So let's take a look at the settings. So here's my section. You can see circle product display. By the way, if you want to change the name here, Shopify has added an additional settings. So currently it says circle product display. I can just double click on it or click on these three small dots and then click on rename to rename this to whatever I want, circle animation, etc., whatever I want to add in, right? And in this section, the features which you will be getting is the first is that heading, my favorite products. Here we have this heading showing up, and we can also change the heading font size. We can change the heading font weight. We can change the heading font size. We can change the heading font weight. We can change the heading font size. We can change the heading font size. We can change the heading font weight. 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 We can change the heading f right? And let's add in the subheading. So I'm just gonna add in subheading for now, just to show you guys how it's gonna work. So here we have now subheading, and there is a color for subheading. Cool. And now let's scroll down. Here we have the option to, oops. Yep, here we have the option to change the subheading font size. I can reduce it more and increase it if I want to. Okay, again, we have these font weights, and here we have the rotation speed. So currently the rotation speed is 10. I can increase it to 20. And if I click save, it is going to speed up it. Right? And if you reduce the speed, you can basically make it very slow so it looks like paused. So here we have, now you can see that it's moving very slowly. So these are the settings. Here we have the large circle border width. So we can increase the border width or decrease it if we want. Right? Similarly, we have the same border width for the small circles here. And we can also change the border color. So if I change the border color to red, this is for the background color. I can also change the background color. I have added this gray color as a background because you can see that the image background also showing up. So it's suggested to use PNG images for your product if you want to enhance this section look and feel, right? And here are some other settings like small circle border color, and here we have small circle border color, background color. So all of these settings are available in section. And if you want to add more products, so this is our circle animation. I'm simply going to click on this add product or collection. And here you can see we have this additional circle showing up. Let's click on that and select the collection. And now let's select, let's suppose this selection here. And you can see that my collection is now showing up. And if I go back to, actually, I'm going to increase the speed as well because it looks really slow right now. Let's increase it to 20. Click save. Okay, let's hit refresh. And here we go. We have our jeans collection showing up. And if I click on it, it is going to take us to that collection. And if we click on any of the product, it's going to take us to that product. Looks cool, right? Now let's start adding that in the fresh theme. And I'm going to show you guys how you can add that on your own theme. And before we proceed to adding to your this section to your theme, I'm going to display an app which is called Big Bulk Discount. This is the app which we created for our clients because Shopify does not provide volume or tier based discount functionality. That's why we created this app. This is available for 7-day free trial. It is going to definitely help you increase average order value of your store. So make sure to try this app, which will help you increase average order value of your store. Okay, now let's get back to adding our section, and I'm going to add this to fresh theme. Let's click on exit and go to adding a new theme. It's currently working on 15.3.0, which is the latest version, but it has a lot of customization and a lot of other section as I shown you guys. So that's why I'm going to thought to show you guys that we should add it on a fresh theme, and I'm going to add a fresh theme, and this time let's add the craft theme because I have tested Dawn theme multiple times. So let's try testing it out in craft theme. By the way, it's also going to work fine on paid themes as well, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, our craft theme is being installed, and guys, while this theme is being installed, if you're new to Shopify, if you're watching this channel for the first time and you're setting up your store freshly, then you can get the Shopify subscription for just $1 a month. The normal pricing is $29 a month if you buy it for annually, I guess. I'm not sure about it, but I think it's $29 or $30. But if you sign up through the link in the description, you will get it for just $1 a month. And this offer is for limited time. I'm not sure when the Shopify is going to change that offer. So make sure to sign up via link in the description and get your store for just $1 a month. Great. Okay, let's publish a craft theme and install the circle animation section on the fresh craft theme, which I have just installed. Okay, now let's first preview the theme. Close this one here. Okay, it didn't open. Let's try again. Perfect. So that's the fresh craft theme. And I'm going to close this tab here and add the section for the circle animation. And for that, I'm going to click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. And once you have your code editor open, so scroll down to the section folder and then click on add a new section. And after clicking on add a new section, you can name it circle animation, or you can add the file name as per your liking, because it doesn't really matter. The file name doesn't really matter here because we are adding the section code, which is the file name independent. So I'm going to click on done after adding the file name and remove all of the current code which is given by the Shopify. After removing the code, click save, go back to the article. So that's the blog post which you will find in the YouTube video description. And all you have to do is just click on this copy code and paste the code in the newly section file which you created, and then click on save. And that's it. All you had to do is just copy and paste this code in the section file, and your section is now ready to go. Now let's test this section. I'm going to open the theme customizer in a new tab and try to add this section and customize it to show you how it's gonna look when you start it from the scratch. Okay, here's our Shopify theme, and I'm gonna click on add section, search for circle, click on circle product display, and let's remove these headings for now and add in our products. So here we have this plus sign where it says add product / collection. Click on that. I am going to add 4 items for now. You can add 6 items. There's a limit for 6 items because if you add more than 6, it's gonna break the animation. So currently adding more than 6 is not allowed. You can see that we have limit of 6 blocks here, right? So I'm gonna remove these last 2 because I'm just gonna play with the 4 images. So first one, I am going to select this product, and for the second one, I am going to select a collection. Let's select a polo collection, and for the third one, I'm going to select a jeans collection. Okay, now we have 2 collections and 2 products. The fourth one will also be a product, and this one works fine. Perfect. Okay, now we have added our products and collection. Now if I click on save, you will see that it is animated. You can see that it's animated. If I go to home page and hit refresh, it's also animated there, right? But you can see that images are showing this weird background difference. So that's due to the product background. If you can, you should use the PNG image for the background because it's going to automatically adapt the section background. But in this case, as we have this grayish type background for all of the most of the products, right? I'm gonna add the gray background color for the circle. So let's go to circle product display settings, and I'm gonna add large circle background color. Where it is? Yep, here it is, large circle background color, and I am going to use the gray color here. Okay, it's a little dark, so I'm gonna lighten up a bit. Much better. I guess that one's good. Okay, now let's add in the small background color, small circle background color. We'll also make it gray color. And let's use the same color here. So I'm going to copy this color code and paste the color code here. And we still have a little background difference here, but again we'll have to use all of the same background color image. So let's try that. I'm gonna change the product here where I have the same background color image. This is this one here. Okay, perfect. That one looks much better. Now for this one, I'm also gonna use a different product where we don't have non-gray background color. This one should work fine. Perfect. Let's click on save. And let's go to home page and hit refresh. Okay, it looks much better now, right? So you can simply click on products and it's going to add this product in a bigger circle. And then once you click on this bigger circle, it's going to take you to that specific product or collection page. By the way, as I have said, there's just 200 like target for you guys, and you just need to give me in comments at whatever feature you want me to add in this section, and we will add the feature to this section. If you want me to add in more animations, different type of, or if you want me to add the ability to increase and decrease the size of the circles, and whatever feature you want us to add in this section, just let us know in the comments below and hit the like button so we can hit the 200 likes target, so I can create an updated version for this animation. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other requests. Until next video, have a great day.